Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making what I called pizza pockets. This is part of our bread baking series, and this is very ironic to me. So I had kind of invented this recipe by making bread dough and making it kind of like pizza and then folding it over into a pocket, and suddenly realized that it already exists and it's called a calzone. I just had to laugh at myself when I realized that. I was like, right. Yeah, as if I had invented it myself. Anyway, this is my version, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started.
Let's start out with our ingredients. We need 4 to 5 cups or 500 to 625 grams of flour, 2 1/4 cups or 400 milliliters of milk, 1 tablespoon yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 can or 500 milliliters of pizza or tomato-based pasta sauce, grated mozzarella cheese, and pizza herbs or Italian herbs which must contain basil, oregano, and thyme, and any other fillings or toppings you would like to include. First, we need to make the bread dough. I add milk, salt, sugar, and butter to a bowl and heat it in the microwave until the butter is almost melted and the milk mixture is warm. Slowly add flour mixed with yeast to the milk mixture. Mix it with a spoon until you can't anymore and knead the rest of the flour in. I start with a smaller amount of flour and slowly add more if necessary. The dough should be soft but not sticky. Cover and allow to raise for an hour. Punch down dough and knead briefly. Tear off chunks of dough about fist-sized, roll them out to fairly thin, and spoon a tablespoon of tomato sauce into it. Add cheese and herbs. You can also add fillings or toppings here if you want. Fold over the dough and pinch the edges closed. Place them on a lined baking sheet. Top the calzones with a sprinkle of cheese and herbs. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until golden brown. Here's how they look inside. These taste so good, it's perfect for those who love pizza but especially love the crust. I really love freezing the extras of these and have them for lunches. They reheat beautifully. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.